How to stop Uber from sharing your data. So first of all, open your Uber, and in here what you're going to do is simply tap on your account option right here, and then from here tap on settings. So after doing that, what you're going to do is tap on privacy. Then we'll get to this particular page. Then from here under the ads and data, simply tap on personalized offers, promo codes, and marketing content, and make sure that it is turned off just like this. So after doing that, the next thing that you want to do is first of all get back, and in here if you scroll down a bit, tap on live location and make sure that this option is disabled just like this. So after doing that, if you go back, also tap on device location and also make sure that it is turned off. Here tap on your device settings and we'll get to the settings, and in here tap on locations and then simply select ask next time or when I share, or simply select never, and that's it.